Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Luke here. Got another house wash for you guys. Got a good one. So a little dirty house. Has a lot of these spider eggs, and they're called Tuscan moths. So let me show you guys what we got. So we got this side right here. This house is getting remodeled, and they just want it washed up before. Got this from a contractor. So we're gonna wash all this, and then underneath the soffits are just all of these spider eggs and these little moth eggs that grow. So, and down here in South Texas, that's like all that I see on almost every single house, especially if it hasn't been washed in a while. It'll have all of these eggs around it. We're also gonna wash the brick, whatever needs it. So yeah, there we go. So it's pretty bad under there. Under here is like the worst part, but it's nothing that I'm a stranger to. This is kind of the houses that I see on the daily. So we're gonna get it all washed up, get it all looking good. Pull up in the driveway because no one is living here at the moment. And we are using the downstream injector. We will be turning this on here shortly and getting about a 1.25, 1.5 mix. Take all these down, and then I will not be using surfactant because I don't think I will be using this guy. And then we'll be using the M5 to downstream. Still need to get like a 3-banger so I can hook up all the tips so they're on the same nozzle, but that's coming soon. So let's go ahead and start it up and we'll get to washing. Pre-wetting as usual. I got no pants on, I'm wearing shorts. And we're gonna downstream. Wait for our chemical to come out. We're only using 150 feet of line, so it shouldn't take too long for chemical to come out. Also not using any surfactant, so gonna have to wait till I start seeing a little bit of soap. There we go. So we are drawing soap. Hit that chimney first. Let that dwell on there. Get underneath these soffits really well. That's the main focus because they're gonna paint this. They're gonna kind of make it look a lot better. Can't do it with all of these little eggs around here. Getting the brick cleaned as well. I'm gonna stand like right here. I'm gonna shoot right underneath her. And I will try to make some better content for you guys. Sometimes I get real busy, so apologize, but hopefully this would be a good one. Ooh. One of those houses that you really enjoy washing, that you look at and you're like, man, I want to wash this house. At least that's for me. I like washing dirty houses. I mean, you get good content for your social media. So good before and afters. We're on rinse mode now, getting that chimney cleaned up. You can tell it's coming out real good. So this side came out really good. This side's pretty much perfect. Whew. Chimney's looking good too. I just dropped my X-Jet in the grass somewhere. I don't know where it went. So I just had to take the dipstick out of the tank, and then I'm just gonna rinse with the M5. Ooh, all right, I found it. It was like deep in there somewhere. I guess it fell out of my pocket. Let's go. All right, we're about to put some SH on these bugs and on these spiders and eggs. This brick as well. All right, got everything cleaned up. Got that chimney looking good. Got the brick all cleaned up. Got all these eggs underneath the house. This whole area over here, it's looking really good. Let's see. Brick's looking really sharp too. Brighten it up a bit. All right, here's where all those eggs used to be. That looks pretty good, especially all right here underneath here. So now it's ready for paint. Underneath here. There. Boom. The chimney. Alright, so our next job, we got this rust remover. I'm gonna get this guy on, brighten up the place a little bit. A lot of rust on here. So we're gonna fill up this pump of spray with some F9 bark. We're gonna rinse down the whole driveway, brush it, rinse it again, let it dry, and apply our mix. So let's see how it goes. All right, so we rinsed the driveway, we gave it a good brush, and then we gave it a rinse again. So now we're gonna let it dry completely, and then we're gonna hit it with some F9 bark in that pump up sprayer, do the entire driveway, and yeah, you just kind of let it dry. And once it dries, it's supposed to kind of evaporate those rust stains. So we'll see how many treatments we need, maybe one, maybe two. So hopefully we can do it in one. I just had about a gallon, so hopefully that's enough. But yeah, we got a big one right there. We had a big one right here, but I took care of that last time, but I kind of just spot treated it. But now we're gonna do the entire driveway.
So these were the results of the rust removal job. Everything came out really, really well. So if you're running into any clients that want some rust removed, pick up some F9 bark. You can find it at your pressure washing store or on Amazon. Here we are at the last job, just a exterior and interior window cleaning. And just wanted to say thank you guys for all of y'all support watching the videos. I know it's been a couple, like 2.5 weeks since I posted last. I actually just got finished moving into a new apartment, so apologize for not, posting any content, but hoping to get back on a good routine of making videos and posting. Should have some really good, exciting content coming up soon. Good driveway, or really just a concrete clean coming up that we just filmed a few days ago on, so I'll be uploading that shortly. It was for a little boutique shop, and then we'll have some good pressure washing and window cleaning content coming in the future. But yeah, once again, thank you guys for y'all support. We are already past 1,100 subscribers, and that's crazy. My goal was to get 1,000 by the end of the year, and we've already done that in August, so that's really, really cool. One of my goals in mind for sure. So if you guys have any questions, whether it's pressure washing, window cleaning, business in general, how to get leads, anything like that, just put it down in the comments or DM me on Instagram at LukeRagland_. I also have a TikTok. It's at fresh.bins. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free to DM me on there, and then I'll get back to you. And yeah, we can chat about your business, and I always love talking to you guys about helping you and helping y'all with door-to-door pitches and just how to grow your business. So once again, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.